So some things you're going to need if you want to make shirts with vinyl is your Cricut. There is the Cricut Maker, the Cricut Explorer. There's the new Cricut Venture. So you just need a Cricut machine. There is a few other brands of cutting machines that you can use. I'm giving you from my experience. So what you need to make vinyl shirts is it's a cutter that cuts the vinyl. You will need Cricut Design Space, which you can use a phone, tablet, or laptop or a computer to use Cricut Design Space. It can be Apple or Windows. It's completely up to you what you choose. It's compatible with both. You're also going to need some vinyl. Depending on the design that you're using will depend on what colors you want. There's a variety of vinyl out there, styles, colors. Options for vinyl are endless, so you will need some vinyl. Specifically heat transfer vinyl. It's the type of vinyl where you can heat press it onto fabric. Tools that are handy to have that make making shirts easier is a cutting board. These shirt alignment tools. You will need weeding tools. Tweezers come in handy. A lint roller is a must. I found this extremely helpful. It's a tape holder for heat resistant tape. I use a lot of heat resistant tape making shirts. So these are some of the tools that you're going to need to make shirts. And you're also going to need a heat press. There is a variety of kinds of heat presses, brands, sizes, depending on what you prefer. I like this kind of heat press because it really presses the vinyl onto the shirt. With the handheld ones, you have to press firm yourself, and you're not always getting the same pressure across the whole design. With this one, it is guaranteed to press firm throughout the whole design so that I am certain that the vinyl is on the shirt properly and securely and won't peel off. That is important. You're also going to need some mats, some Cricut mats, to put your vinyl on, to put it in through your Cricut. Your process for making the shirts is going to be, you're going to use Cricut Design Space to design your shirt. Then after you design your shirt, you're going to run it through the Cricut, cutting out the vinyl, the design in the vinyl. And if you may need to do multiple layers, different colors, depending on your design. After you cut it out, you're going to then weed out the design from the vinyl. And then you're going to heat press it onto the shirt with your press. A good thing to do is after you've pressed it on and peeled off the plastic that's on the backing of the vinyl, give it a press again for 5 to 10 seconds just to make sure it's secured down. It's always good to do that second press after you peel off that plastic. And then once you've done that, you have a beautiful shirt that you can wear or sell. It's up to you. So those are the things that you will need if you're going to be making shirts with vinyl. Stay tuned if you want to know everything you need to make shirts with sublimation.